We ain't out of the woods yet. Still more fun to be had.
Yeah, buddy. Fucking barely moving.
Barely moving, but we was grooving. Was we ever? Well, see, I got confused as to where we were headed, that's for sure. That was pretty wicked. I got it, hold on. Oh, shit. We gotta resituate.
Boys, we got some cams and a fucking tune. Just about everything else on this one. Holy fuck, the Popo's coming back for another fucking shot at her.
Giving her again.
Oh, that's the greasy side. That's the greasy stuff. That's the greasy stuff.
Oh, he's eating it. Holy shit.
Oh, he's right in the greasy stuff.
Oh! Yell
He already hauled that one right out.
Yeah,
he dropped all four into it. I was like, uh-oh. Holy shit, look at the size of the chunk of skag you're pulling up. I just winched, dude. Fuck it. Yeah, he was barely moving. He trenched both spots where your tires are right to the bottom.
Yeah, I did.
He booby trapped you, Phil. He fucking booby trapped it.
I got you. I got you, buddy.
Let's hear some fucking cams and a tune, bud. I want to hear the high revs.
It's eating, man. That thing does sound beastly.
He's got her dialed today.
The bomb racing cams, boys.
I don't even know, man.
No ifs, ands, or buts about it, boys. We got to get down.
Alright, let's see her. Phil's gonna try a high gear on the lifter.
We got the lifter deciding he wants to see what the high range will do.
He's gonna try high gear on it.
Yeah. Let off.
We're getting rutted right the fuck in here, Tommy. We're not got a lot of options here, bud. Oh, fuck yeah.
Wow.
Nope.
Yeah, but the clutch didn't fail.
They had some good speed going, but they sucked you in.
Yeah. That's it high. I thought you were going that way. Well, we're gonna have to get
I'll just try to make it through there where he did. I'm not going to rip it up on you, Tommy.
Though it didn't bog.
No.
Oh man.
Holy fuck, boys, I think we really got something going here. Like, we got a couple lines busted open, but I'm not sure how good them lines that are busted open are really going to be.
Two stuck bites. I don't even know where my brother went. We'll get back to you.
Set you boys down for a second, God's sake.
Alright, these guys are getting situated. Let's go find my brother. Didn't see where he went. I guess as he started to get a little impatient. There he is. That's going to be some rough stuff there, I would imagine.
Oh, you know, my little brother's gonna fucking hit it. Looks like you're gonna hit it good. Hard to get your speed up here. As soon as you really start to edge onto the throttle, she just opens her up and tries to suck you in. So you gotta slowly try to get on the speed like that. And hopefully you can keep a little bit of speed.
Wow.
Hard to keep speed, eh? It's hard to build any momentum or keep speed.
Well, that's why I kept trying to search for an outside patch, but...
Oh.
Shit. I really hope you guys are alright.
He got to back up to save someone?
No, you look at the entrance into there and you back up.
Oh, really?
Hell yeah.
Woo! Oh,
Get out of my truck,
right
so I went to the right.
He's in
You're
the
good,
pocket.
you're good. Jesus. Oh! Yeah, look what happened to me. I went like that.
Go forward, boys.
No.
Go forward.
Oh. I was thinking that way.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. No. Not happening, boys.
Oh, we got one more. One more is coming in.
She's in. She's mired in. I think actually pulling backwards like that's best.
Here, everybody just grab onto it. We'll fucking push them out. Just be careful.
We can push it out, yeah?
Just don't spin your tires.
Go forward, yep.
Alright, grab on her, boys.
Front bumper.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, go!
No, no,
Oh, she's properly mired. Hey?
Oh, my leg is properly mired. Oh,
Oh yeah,
wow.
You found the juicy spot.
Alright, let the camera cool down.
Yeah, she's doing real good. Job didn't hit that spot, he bounced out before then. I was thinking you probably should have done the stand. I didn't think it was that deep though. Might need to push him too, boys.
Out she comes, out she comes. Just wicked. Nice and easy. Climbs out. I don't think so, eh?
Ah, he turned out.
No point, boys. Nope. It wasn't gonna happen. I didn't have enough, and that is not even worth getting stuck for the next 30 minutes. But my brother's gonna hit her. Jesus, man! You got me. Hold on.
I just couldn't get enough speed.
free section, we'll call this. Just touch the throttle and your hands in the air, man.